Right, so hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to create a new slide in PowerPoint. So just going to go in your search bar and search for PowerPoint. If you have PowerPoint already open, that's great as well. Okay, I'm just going to go into the black presentation, but you can create any presentation that you already have. Okay, so here for a new slide, basically there's a button right here that says new slide, so just can click on that. Okay, how many times we want. But if you want to create a slide in between like 1 and 2, you're just going to go into number 1 and then create a new slide. That will create a new slide under that, so you have a new slide between the 1 and 2 earlier. Okay, and the new slide will become number 2 and everything else will be dropped down. Okay, and if you want to create a slide that's more different, like you want to add a title different or just a blank slide, in the new slide button right there, you can go down, you can see it says new slide with an arrow. Click on that, and that has all different types of section and headers, and it has a blank, and you can create different kind of blank slides. So yeah, that's a tutorial on how to create new slides on PowerPoint. So that's all for me. Thanks for watching, folks.